because I know it's in there. It makes, see, whenever I hear that sound, I know any way to.
that they're in the cookie jar.
That's who I'm getting something.
Aww, go open it for him, Andrew.
Just leave him be. He'll be fine.
He's penetrating the bag here.
He's being pissed off.
He's like, I've got it. I think what it is that on the table, on the table it's hard. Maybe we should just put all our chips out there. They won't be able to get in there. Cocksuckers.
I'm gonna open it for him.
No.
You see, every time he hits it, you see the neck go. It's like kicking just enough that he can't like break through the thing. Yeah, what you want?
Come on.
He's like, what the hell's with this one? Why is this so difficult?
You just stab a little harder.
It's like this bag's making me look bad. Don't let him
He just got it. He just pressed
the
it. That's
bugger.
our tear a hole.
Oh, yay! Oh, he won.
I want to open it for him.